Dance and laugh, sing and play, jazz and tap and ballet. Come on, dancers, welcome in. Let's dance with Miss Catherine. Dance with Miss Catherine.
Hi there, and welcome to Dance with Miss Catherine. As you can see, I have on my purple tap shoes because today we're going to do some tap dancing. And as you can also see, I have this hand behind my back because I've got something fun that we're going to do today. Before we start, if you're wearing tap shoes, can you please ask your grown-up if you're in a safe space to tap? Ready? Go and ask them now. What did they say? You're in a good space to tap? Fantastic. And also remember, if you don't have tap shoes, no problem. You can wear your socks or your indoor running shoes. So today's move, I'm so excited about it. It is called a really funny name. It's called Cramp rolls. This is how I like to remember what it's called. I hold my tummy and pretend I have a tummy cramp. Cramp. And then I make a rolling motion. Can you say that with me? 1, 2, 3. Cramp rolls. But I promise, the step is just super fun. No cramps or rolling involved. So what do I have behind my back? Is that what you said? Let me show you. I have some shooting star stickers because today we're going to use our stickers to help us remember what foot we're on. Because in today's step, cramp roll, we're going to combine some steps and some heel drops. So let's try some steps first before I put the stickers on. Can you rise up onto your toes and can you just transfer your weight on the balls of your feet and say step? Ready? Here we go. Step, 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 step. Good. Step, 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 step. I'm doing steps. Very good. And now let's practice the other part that goes into a cramp roll, our heel drop. So this one, remember, we rise up, lift up the heel, keeping the ball of our foot on, and we drop our heel with the other one. Drop. Ready? Here we go. Drop our heel, drop our heel. I'm doing heel drops. Drop our heel, drop our heel. I'm doing heel drops. Want to try that fast? 1, 2, 3. Drop, 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 drop. That was great. Okay, back to cramp rolls. So I have my 3 stickers. I am going to choose one sticker. I think I'll choose this one. Do you have any stickers? You do? Oh, that's awesome. Can you ask your grown-up to help you get your stickers? Okay, very, very good. I'll wait for you to go get some stickers. You just need 2 stickers, please. And if not, you could use a bracelet to help you remember what side you're on, or a hair tie. You could put that on your wrist to help you remember what side you're on. We always can have many different options. Okay, are we ready? Do you have your sticker? Okay, very good. So you're going to have your grown-up put the sticker on the top of this foot, on the top of your toe. Shall we do that now? Boop. There's my shooting star sticker. Can you see it on the tip of my toe? Good. And now I'm going to take my second sticker and I'm going to put it on the same hand, on the back of my hand. Boop. So see, this side of my body has the stickers. This side of my body doesn't. I'll put these stickers down. See? Sticker side, no sticker side. Can you show me? Sticker side, no sticker side. Very good. All right, let's get started. I'm going to use my tap bar for this to help me keep my balance. If you have something that you can hold on to that's sturdy and doesn't move, like the arm of your couch or your countertop, or the side of your bed, or the wall, so you can rise up, you can go ahead and get set up now. Let's get set up. I'm going to go behind my ballet bar. Okay, very good. Are we ready? Awesome. You know, you can even use a doll's crib because that's sturdy and you can hold on to it. Anyway, now that we're all set up with something sturdy, here's what we're going to do. This move has a lot of transferring of weight. Let's practice. In our steps, we transfer our weight. Remember where you go from one foot to the other foot, one foot to the other foot. Join in. One foot to the other foot. I'm transferring my weight. Good. One foot to the other foot, one foot to the other foot, one foot to the other foot. I'm transferring my weight. Awesome. So we are going to move on this side of our body and this side of our body. How thrilling. Okay, so our hands are going to go onto the bar. We're going to start on our flat feet and we're going to pick up our sticker foot. So pick it up. Good. Do you have your sticker foot up? And that's why we have this sticker here too, so we can see it to help remember. Because if you're wearing a big poofy skirt like me, it's tricky to see the sticker foot down there. So we are going to step onto the sticker foot and lift up the non-sticker foot. Ready, steady, go. Step. Great. Now, we are going to step the non-sticker foot right beside the sticker foot, but don't release it. Keep both feet on the floor. Say that. I'm going to step right beside the sticker foot and keep both feet down. I'm going to step right beside the sticker foot and keep both feet down. Ready, steady, step. Good. Now, sticker side. We're going to drop that heel. So you're going to have 3 parts of your foot on the ground. Your sticker ball of your foot, non-sticker ball of your foot, and your sticker heel. Ready? Drop your heel. And now look down and check. Yep, I have my whole sticker foot on the floor and the ball of my non-sticker foot. Good. And now we are going to drop the non-sticker heel. And when we do, at the same time, pick up the sticker foot. Drop your heel, pick up the sticker foot. That was amazing. Let's try that again. Because when you're first learning tap and you put moves together, it can feel a little confusing. But remember, you know what I'm going to say, right? If you do it over and over again with love in your heart, then you can do anything. Are you ready? So let's go. And remember, you're just learning. It's okay to be confused at first. Okay, stand tall. Whew. Step with the sticker foot, lift non-sticker foot up. Did you do it? Good. Now step right beside the sticker foot. Keep both feet on the floor. Step beside the sticker foot, both feet on the floor. Did you do it? Good. And now we're going to drop the sticker foot heel to make our third sound. Drop the sticker heel foot. I have only one part up. That's the non-sticker heel. Now we're going to do our fourth sound. Drop the non-sticker heel and pick up the sticker foot. Drop my non-sticker heel, pick my sticker foot up. You did it. Let's do it again. Say it with me. Step on my sticker foot, step on the other foot. Drop my sticker heel, drop the other heel, sticker foot up. Again. Step on the sticker foot, step on the other foot. Drop my sticker heel, drop the other heel, pick up sticker foot. Oh my goodness, that was amazing. What's this move called again? That's right, it's called cramp roll, because I'm rolling through my toes. And how many sounds am I making? Can you listen and tell me how many sounds I'm making? Am I making 20 sounds? Am I making 1 sound? Or am I making 4 sounds? Count with me. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. That was amazing. Okay, let's try making 4 clear sounds. And are you ready? Pick up our sticker foot. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Step on my sticker foot. Step the other one beside. Drop my sticker heel. Drop my other heel. Sticker foot up again. Step on my sticker foot. Drop my other foot. Drop my sticker heel, drop my other heel foot up. Again, step with my sticker foot, step aside with my other foot. Drop my sticker heel, drop the other heel, sticker foot up. Step with the sticker foot, step beside the other foot. Drop my sticker heel, drop the other foot. Pick it up. You did it. That's your cramp roll. Let's do our happy dance. Ready? I did my cramp rolls. I did my cramp rolls. I'm awesome. Yay. Well done. Would you like to see cramp roll fast? May I show that to you? This is how we do it when we learn. But then it starts to get faster. And then it starts to get faster. And then it gets really fast. And then it gets the fastest. Wow! Would you like to hear the fast one again? Ready? Oh, it's like a horse going. Ready? Listen. Very cool. But it starts slow. So let's try it one more time. Last time to dance our cramp roll. So hands on the bar, sticker foot comes up. Ready, here we go. Step with the sticker foot, step aside with the other foot. Drop your sticker heel, drop the other heel, sticker foot up again. Step with the sticker foot, step aside with the other foot. Drop your sticker heel, drop the other heel, foot up. Step with your sticker foot, step aside with the other foot. Drop your sticker heel, drop the other heel, sticker foot up. One more time. Step with the sticker foot, step with the other foot. Drop your sticker heel, drop the other heel, pick it up. Yay! Wow, oh my gosh. You did amazing today, and I had so much fun dancing with you. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Bye!
Did you love dancing with us? Then hit that subscribe button so you can dance along every week. And grown-ups, hit the description below for all the info about our classes. Bye-bye!
It's time to go, we're almost done. We learned to dance and had such fun. Come back soon, there's always room to dance with Miss Catherine. Dance with Miss Catherine.